Hi everyone, Kim here. Welcome to my channel, Glitter and Sparkle by Kim, where you'll find all things ageless beauty and more. And today I thought I would bring you my March Ipsy Glam Bag. I just received my glam bag in the mail the other day, so we'll get started. And so this is my package that it came in. This is the Ipsy package. And so we'll just get this glam bag out of here, see what we have this month. And this is the glam bag. It's a dark, like a gold on the back. And then on the front, it has several pastel colors, blues and pinks and yellows. It's really pretty. And it also has this little embellishment, these little beads on the front, a little yellow and a clear one and like a peach color one. So that's really cute. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So the first thing we have is called Maison Louise Marie, and this is a perfume, and it comes with a little sample. And also in this glam bag, it actually came with a little card. I forgot to tell you about that. Came with this little card. Just tells you a little bit about rewriting the rules. It tells you about March 2024. Wear too much blush, make the first move, get a mismatched mani. This month, march to your own beauty beat with botanical skincare, must-have makeup, and a nature-inspired palette from women-owned and founded brands who inspire us to rewrite the rules every day. So you get a little note card in your glam bag. Now back to the perfume. So let's just try this perfume out and see what this is like. And it's like a little mini spray bottle. So I'm just going to spray this. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. It smells absolutely wonderful. Let me get my glasses and see if I can read some of this. It says it has notes of, and I'm not sure how you pronounce this, muguet, M-U-G-U-E-T, coconut waters, lemon, mid-note is Tuscan fig, tonka, and agave. Base note is vetiver, amber, and santal. So those are the notes of the perfume. It's cruelty-free, mindful of your body and environment, a botanical tradition since 1792. It says this is a refreshing, rich scent that takes you to the Italian island of Capri, where Marie frequently traveled with her sister while visiting the Amalfi Coast. Nouvelle Vague transports you to spring on the Italian coast, where you're walking on a tiny oceanside street lined with blooming wildflowers and native lemons. Its signature aroma captures an uplifting citrus accord, a sheer floral bouquet, and a coconut wrapped with Tuscan fig and agave throughout. Tonka and undertones of golden woods ground this blend in comfort and warmth. So that's a little bit about this perfume. And again, it's called Maison Louise Marie. And that will be coming out soon. Next, we have Benefit Precisely My Brow Wax. And of course, I've already done my brows today, so I can't really use this right now. It comes in this little miniature tube because these are sample sizes. And, well, I can actually take my glasses off. Just try this. Well, it's actually kind of hard because the wand's too small. I mean, the wand's so small, it makes it hard to put on. Even though it's a sample, it needs to be a longer wand. That seems nice. So that is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Wax. And the next thing we have in the Ipsy Glam Bag is a, let's see what this is. Pinky Bee Beauty Gel Eyeliner. Pinky Bee Beauty Gel Eyeliner, and I believe this is in black. So I'll have to try this out. I'll try these out in a new video coming up soon and let you know how they are. And that is a gel eyeliner. And the next product we have is, I need my glasses again. Karma Beauty, I believe is what it says. Karma Beauty Refreshing Truffle Leave-In Hair Conditioner infused with biotin and ginseng. So that comes in this little tube here. It's a good size tube for a sample though. Let's see what this smells like. Well, it smells really good. It's kind of hard between smelling the perfume and the conditioner, but it does. It smells really good. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And let's see what else we have in here. And the last thing that we have is the Gold Faden MD Plant Profusion Night Cream. Gold Faden MD Plant Profusion Night Cream. And this is a sample. And I'm just going to see what this smells like and put it on my hand. I just keep smelling perfume. Just a light scent, just a little light scent, not a strong scent at all. And I'm just putting a little bit of that on my hand. Feels really good going on, doesn't feel greasy or feels very moisturizing. Oh, it has a nice, pretty little citrus smell to it. It's a real light scent though, so I'm looking forward to trying this too. So we have the night cream, and we had the perfume, and we had the conditioner, and we had the brow wax, and we had the eyeliner. So we had all those things in the March 2025, I'm ahead of myself, March 2024 glam bag. And if you're interested in receiving these sample glam bags, you can get them from Ipsy, and they are around, I think, $16 a month, I believe it is. Total cost is around $16, no more than $17. I can't remember exactly, but it's no more than around $16, $17 a month for this. And you get 5 sample size products in it, and they do let you choose one of your own products every month. So every month you get to choose one of your own products. So that's a great thing. And that's what I like about it. I love to be able to choose at least. I like to be surprised. I love the element of surprise, but I also like being able to choose at least one product. But so far I've been pleased with everything I've received. I like everything. I love everything I've received. So that's the glam bag for this month, and I will see you next month with next month's Ipsy Glam Bag. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that little bell so you can receive notifications of my future videos. And again, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Mwah.